Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the stock price prediction using machine learning. This is the about us section. Let's click on the OK button, and user have to input all those value like opening stock price, closing stock price, lowest stock price, highest stock price. So let's enter all the value like 14.55, 13.22, 13.22 and 15.8, and then click on the predict button. So it will predict the 17.30 predicted stock price. Let's give the another input. The highest stock price will be 13.22, and then click on the predict button. So it will predict the 14.3 predicted price. So let's change the lowest stock price 0.0, then it will predict the 17.38 stock price. Now change with the 13.22 and 1, and click on the predict button. So it will predict the 20.71 stock price. So this will be the complete project. User have to just give the input value and the model will predict the stock price. If you have any doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.